Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna, and you are watching me on my channel, that is Super Beauty Desires channel. And if you are new to this channel, please hit like button to this video, and please hit subscribe button to be my subscriber. That is free but would mean a lot to me. Yes, that is a rhyming, yeah. पास नहीं आ सकता क्या थोड़ा सा? Hey, so today I am here to review one product that you all know as you read the title of this video. So I am going to review this product. Yeah, so this is the Colgate Visible White, and it is a very new product in the market, and the market is raving about this product. Everyone is crazy about this product, and everyone is going to review this product, and everyone is reviewing this product onto their channel. So I thought, why not, I should also try it. And so today I am here to review this product for you guys. For now 10 days I have been using this product, and so I am in the position to tell you guys that what it claims is all right or wrong. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to show you the packaging. So the packaging is just look like this. It opens up from here. Yeah, so the tube comes from here. So the tube looks like this. Quite cute and beautiful kind of tube it has given to us. And yeah, it is quite sturdy also. You can keep it in your traveling bag if you are used to it. And it's cost rupees 45 rupees for 50 grams. Yeah, so this is the tube for 50 grams, and it comes in 45 rupees. So as in when you will open this toothpaste, you will get this type of toothpaste inside it. It is all white in color, but small little blue particles are given over here. I don't know why these particles are given, what these particles are called. These particles are called exfoliating particles or other, I don't know the technicalities of these toothpaste much, but yeah, some little particles are given inside it, and it's quite smells good like Colgate as usual. And now I'm just going to read what it claims. Yeah, so it claims one shade lighter teeth in just 1 week. Yeah, so it claims that you will be getting one shade lighter teeth if you will use it continuously for 1 week, and also you will have to use it thrice a day. Yes guys, this is the news. You will have to use it. Yes guys, it is a news. You will have to use this toothpaste thrice a day if you want to have one shade lighter teeth as you are having right now. So I am using this toothpaste from 10 days now, and I am now in the position to tell you that what happens with my teeth. Yeah, so first of all, I just want to add here that it is not for children. Yeah, it is not for children, those are below 6 years of age. It is written here that if you want to, give your children who are below 6 years of age, you will have to, ask your dentist first of all, and you will have to give just pea size to them, that's it. Yeah, so this is not for children for sure, because it is having a lot of chemicals. As I read here, it is having silica, sorbitol, glycerine of course, and polyethyl glycol, sodium, and so many this is the list of all the chemicals written over here it contains. So yeah, it contains a lot of chemicals in it, so definitely it's not for our children. Now when we talk about its so now when we talk about its things that it claims, so yeah, I have been using it for 10 days as I told you. So in first 2 or 3 days I have not noticed anything, although I do not have so much of yellowish, that layer onto my teeth. Yeah, as you can see, I do not have that yellowish layer except this teeth. I don't know why, since my childhood I am having this teeth like this, only this yellowish color onto my teeth. So I was just thinking that this toothpaste is going to clean my this tooth, yeah, this tooth. Only one tooth I am having in yellow color, all the teeth are white, touch wood for that. So I was thinking that this toothpaste will clean up my this tooth in 1 week, but it did not do anything to this tooth. Unfortunately, it did not do anything to this tooth, although it has given me one shade lighter to other teeth, but to this teeth, when we talk about to clear this yellow color, it is not going to do that. Yes. So yeah, guys, you can try this toothpaste for one shade lighter. But if you are, looking forward for one toothpaste that is going to, clean your teeth, which are quite yellow in color, it is not going to do that. So yeah, this is my honest review over it, because I was, thinking that my tooth will get, clean and all like that, but it did not do anything to my this tooth. So yeah, it is just the review of this product. And when I brushed my teeth with this toothpaste, it just giving me some what do I say, that uh as I am using that sensitivity toothpaste. When I use sensitivity toothpaste, it just give me that kick to my teeth. So it is just doing me that kind of kick. It is just giving me that kind of kick. What do we say that थोड़ा सा जब आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है कि yeah, so it has whitening accelerators and special ingredients used by dentists all over the world to whiten teeth. So you can try it for getting one shade lighter teeth. But if you are if you want to but if you want that all of the yellow teeth will sudden change into the white color, it is not gonna do that to your teeth. So yeah, let's so yeah, you can try this out, and please will tell. So yeah, you can try this toothpaste out, and please tell me your reviews. What do you think about this toothpaste? My reviews are quite good, but not those best toothpaste I found in it. But yeah, it is okay type. So So yeah guys, here finishes off my video on review of this product, this Colgate Visible White product. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit like to this video and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. Bye bye, take care. And yeah, till then wait for another review. Bye, take care. See you. And yeah, till then take care. And yeah, till then wait for another review from this channel. Bye, take care. Bye.